In mathematics, reading a numeral is very important. In mathematics, reading a numeral is very important. For that, we need to learn about the face value and place value. In this class, I am going to explain you what is a face value and what is a place value. So, let us learn about face value. F-A-C, face value. So, I am going to give you a define about face value. So, face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. The face value of a digit of a numeral, the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. The place value of a digit in a numeral the place value of a digit in a numeral, the value of the place, the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. For example, if 5 is at in thousands place, the value of the face value of the 5 is 5. If 9 is at lakhs place, the face value of the 9 is 9. If 5 is at thousands place, the value, the face value of the 5 is 5, as well as if 9 is at lakhs place, the face value of 9 is 9. Okay, the face lakhs place, the face value of 9 is 9. Once again, I am going to repeat you children the define of a face value. The place value of a digit in a numeral, the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. It means if 5 is at thousands place, the face value of the 5 is 5, as well as if 9 is at lakhs place, the face value of 9 is 9. So like take an example 4. If 4 is in crores place, the face value of 4 is 4. So this is the face value. Okay. In Indian numeration system, we have place values. I am going to give you an example. 5 crores 47 lakhs 32,463. So 3 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place, 4 is at hundreds place, 2 is at thousands place, 3 is at 10,000s place, 7 is at lakhs place, 4 is at 10 lakhs place, and 5 is at crores place. So I am going to repeat the places: ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crores. So let us see the face value of these digits. The face value of 3 is at ones place. The face value of 3 is 3. 6 is at tens place, although the face value of 6 is 6. 4 is in hundreds place. The face value of 4 is 4. 2 is at thousands place. The face value of 2 is 2. 3 is at 10,000s place. The face value of 3 is 3. 7 is at lakhs place. The face value of 7 is 7. 4 is at 10 lakhs place. The face value of 4 is 4. 5 is at crores place. The face value of 5 is 5. So, I have to understand at whatever place it may be. If it is in thousands place, if it is in lakhs place, if it is in crores place, the face value of a digit is itself. So, that is why here 2 is in thousands place, but the face value of 2 is 2. Now, we are going to learn about place value. Let us learn what is a place value. Place value. So, I am going to give you define of place value. So, what is a place value? A place value of a digit is value of the face value of the digit into value of the place. Place value of a digit is equal to face value of the digit into value of the place. Value of the place. Place value is depends upon the place of the digit. The value of a digit is depends upon the place in a given numeral. For example, if 2 is in tens place, the place value of 2 is 20. If 4 is in thousands place, the place value of 4 is 4000. Example, if 9 is at crores place, the place value of 9 is the place value of 9 is 9 crores. So here the place value of a digit is depends upon the place in a given numeral. If 5 is in lakhs place, the place value of 5 is 5 lakhs. If 7 is in 10 lakhs place, the place value of 7 is 70 lakhs. Okay, now I will show you in a table. In this numeral, 9 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, 5 is at thousands place, 4 is at 10,000s place, 2 is at lakhs place, 9 is at 10 lakhs place, 6 is at crores place. So, let us learn the place value of this given digits. So, 9 is at ones place. The place value of 9 is 9. 9 ones are 9. 6 is at tens place. So, the place value of 6 is 60. 6 tens are 60. 2 is at hundreds place. 2 into 100, 200s are 200. 5 is at thousands place. 5 into 1000, 5000. is at 10,000 place. 5 into 10,000, 40,000. 2 is at lakhs place. 2 into lakh, 2 lakhs. 9 is at 10 lakhs place. 9 into 10 lakhs, 90 lakhs. 6 is at crores place. 6 into crore, 6 crores. 'So here once again I remind you the define of place value. The place value of a digit is face value of the digit into value of the place. So value of the place. That is why these digits get their own place. For example, 5 is at thousands place. The face value of the place value of 5 is 5,000. So 9 is at 10 lakhs place. So that is why the place value of 9 is 90 lakhs. Now let us do an exercise about the face value and place value. In this exercise, we are going to do find the place value of encircled digits. First one, 92,456. In this numeral, I encircle to the digit 2. So here in this numeral, we want to know the place value of 2. So here for that we need to see the places of the given digits. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So we want to know the place value of 2. So let us see where the digit it is. So 2 is at thousands place. So that's why the place value of 2 is 2000. So why the place value of 2 is 2000? Because 2 is at thousands place. So I will give you one more example. 59,843. Now I encircle to 4. So again, let us see the places of the given digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. We want to know about the place value of 4. So let us see where the 4 is. 4 is at tens place. So the place value of 4 is 40, because 4 into 10, 40. I will give you some more examples. 64 lakhs 59,324. In this numeral, I I encircle to 4. Okay. So let us know the place value of 4. For that we need to see the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, and 10 lakhs place. So we want to know the place value of 4. So in this numeral, 4 is at lakhs place. So the place value of 4 is 4 lakhs, because 4 is at lakhs place. 4 into lakh, 4 lakhs. Yes. Now one more example. 7 crores 25 lakhs 41,516. In this numeral, I encircle to 6. So let us see the place value of 6. 6 is at ones place. So the place value of 6 is 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay. Now we are going to do one more exercise, children. Now in this exercise, we are going to find the face value of the digit and as well as place value of the digit also. Find the face value and place value of the encircled digit. Encircled digit. First one, 42,615. In this numeral, I encircle to 6. So let us see the face value of the 6 and place value of the 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Right? Now 6 is in hundreds place. The face value of 6 is 6. We know that face value of a digit is itself at whatever place it may be. So 6 is at hundreds place, but the face value of 6 is 6. Now place value of 6 is 600, because 6 is in hundreds place. So one more example. Second example is 62,405. 62,405. So here I encircle to, underline to 0. So again let us see the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now let us know the face value of the 0 and also place value of the 0. So here face value of 0. Face value of 0 is, do you know the face value of 0? Face value of 0? The face value and place value of the 0 also 0, because if the 0, whatever place it may be, the face value of the 0 is 0. Also the place value of the 0 is also 0. See, 0 is in tens place, but the face value of the 0 is 0. Now place value of the 0. Place value of 0 is also 0. 0 tens are 0. Of course 0 is in tens place, but the place value of 0 is also a 0. So that's why 0 into 10, 0. 0 tens are 0. Now I underline to 6. Underline to 6. So let us see the face value of 6. The face value of 6 is the face value of 6 is 6. The face value of the digit is itself. Now the place value of 6 is 60,000 because 6 is in 10,000. 6 into 10,000, 60,000. Okay, children. In next class, we are going to learn about how to read a numeral as per the place value systems of Indian place value system and international place value system. We will meet again in next class. Thank you.